Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set up Face ID in Windows 11. So if you have a laptop or desktop that support Face ID or face recognition, then here's a video on how you can easily activate or set up your Face ID on your Windows computer. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to set up Face ID on your Windows 11 computer, click on the Start button, select Settings. On the Settings page, locate and click on Account on the left side. Once you selected Account, hang on for the account page to load. Once it loads, scroll down, select Sign In options. Now, under Sign In options, click on Face Recognition Windows Hello. Then once you click on that, hang on, then you see Use your face to sign into Windows app and services. Then go ahead and click on Setup. Once you hit the setup, you see Welcome to Windows Hello. Click on Get Started. Now, you should see enter your PIN, then proceed, and then type in your PIN or password. Then you should see your PC or laptop camera pops. Just focus on the camera. And then keep rotating your head and make sure you face directly to the camera. And then once the box is full and you want to make sure your face is at the center, and then you are good. After that, then you should say all set. Use your face the next time you want to unlock your device. Then go ahead and click close. After that, minimize this. Now, to confirm your Face ID, click on the Start button, select the power button, select lock, then click on your keyboard and focus on your PC camera. And then you can also click on Sign In option to select Face ID, and then you should see your PC unlocked. So that's basically how to set up Face ID on Windows 11. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.